Hey people, so today we are making akara. So this is my beans already washed and grind. I grind it with a pepper and onion, so I added some salt to taste. Okay, so I'm going to be mixing. Okay guys, so I will mix it very well, although some people make use of hand mixer to mix their beans so that it will be very smooth. Okay, but I'm going to be using my wooden spoon to do my job. Okay, so let's go continue mixing. So people, after mixing for like 10 minutes, so now I'm going to be putting my oil on fire. Okay, I'm going to on my gas, my stove. So I used this oil yesterday to make some plantain, to fry some plantain. So I'm going to be adding a little more oil to it. So I will allow the oil to get hot. I'll allow it to get hot. Okay, people. I will allow it to get hot. Then we'll start frying. So people, our oil is hot. So start frying your akara. Beans cake. This is beans cake. So we are going to allow it to get done. Okay, so now I'm going to be turning it. So people, let's check our akara. Yummy akara. Guys, this is the best recipe you will see online today. This akara, if you eat it with hot bread, agege bread. You can also get agege bread in the western part of the world, in Europe. They have agege bread in African shop, so you can visit African shop to get agege bread. You can use this as your dinner, with pap, with akara, with custard, with a lot of things. You can use it as breakfast also. So it's ready. So I'm going to be taking it out from the fire. So people, this is our akara. See how beautiful our akara is looking, guys. So thank you for watching. If you know you watch up to this point, I really appreciate. God bless you.